To put it simply, the Bitcoin market is chaotic. Coinbase, the biggest cryptocurrency exchange in the planet, is pushing XRP Ripple's price up to $1,892. The release of this material has caused widespread chaos on the internet. Coinbase has begun to back Ripple in its legal battle against the SEC, which is an even more intriguing development. It is certain that Ripple will succeed and reach new heights of success. Get ready to be astounded by watching this video. Ignoring the introductory material, we will go right into the meat of the matter. There has been an unexpected change in the trajectory of the Bitcoin industry's dispute with the SEC. The tone has been raised by Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong, who has issued a stern warning to legal companies, falling in line with other prominent figures like Ripple, who are fighting against what they perceive as an unfriendly regulatory climate. They risk losing Coinbase as a partner if they bring on staff with a history of involvement in SEC crypto enforcement activities. Everyone at the legal companies we deal with has been warned that we will not be returning as clients if they represent anyone associated with the former administration who is implicated in these scandals. A previous director of CC enforcement, Gerber Grohl, was hired by the firm Milbank, which led to this declaration. The reason the SEC looked into Binance was because of Grohl, Coinbase, Ripple, and Kraken. As far as Armstrong is concerned, the SEC is acting immorally by imposing restrictions without offering adequate explanations, and he has voiced his displeasure of this behavior. It turns out that the SEC's efforts were the only ones that really moved crypto markets by causing massive and prolonged artificial suppression, said Stuart Alderati, chief legal officer of Ripple. In the Bitcoin industry, this is a common belief. Ripple, the crypto industry's CC warhorse and a product of the SEC, has won its legal battle. The industry is greatly affected by a victory. XRP speculation that SEC Chair Gary Gensler was planning to resign caused Ripple coin prices to skyrocket. After Gensler, all boats rise, Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse said on X, implying that investors have gained faith in the company because to Gensler's imminent exit. Anatoly Yakovenko, co-founder of Solana Labs, shared these sentiments when he said that the emergence of Ripple has been a devastating setback for the SEC's anti-crypto campaign. XRP's growth stalled for years due to Ripple's battle with the SEC. Worried investors saw the Bitcoin drop below $1. Some have argued that the SEC ambiguity has prevented innovation and forced companies to leave the U.S. market, leading to widespread criticism of the agency's actions. Regulators are in a state of disarray, say Ripple and other companies, because of the Biden administration's stance on cryptocurrencies, which many have called a war. Stuart Alderati was very critical of the damage, stating that the SEC's approach stifled market activity in general and XRP activity in particular. There is now cause for hope due to shifts in the political and regulatory climate. By dismantling the SEC's Operation Choke Point approach, which targets financial services for cryptocurrency businesses, former President Trump fulfilled his promise to modify the agency's crypto regulations if reelected. The cryptocurrency community is feeling energized by the prospect of a more favorable environment. Social media posts such as XRP got sued by the SEC and is going to win the actual Navy and CC offer settlement with Ripple Crypto Geek show that people in the business are hoping for a change for the better. Recent gains in XRP's value, which indicate a fresh belief in the cryptocurrency's ability to revolutionize the market, support this view. In addition to boosting XRP, Ripple's success has served as an example for other Bitcoin companies fighting the SEC. There has been a shift in power, and the society is fiercely against excessive regulation. As Garlinghouse aptly put it, the future is full of surprises, however. The tides are changing, and every boat is rising in Gensler's wake. Unbelievable, isn't it? Still, I'd say this is only the beginning. Ripple is making waves in the cryptocurrency industry, and its coin XRP is achieving unprecedented levels of success. I think you've witnessed everything. Reevaluate your thoughts. You shouldn't turn a blind eye to XRP's current situation because it is unprecedented. Due to the momentum, the XRP community is going absolutely bonkers with all the comparisons and forecasts. Lots of people are getting very excited because predictions of a sharp rise and stories of new records are circulating around. The statement made by Eduardo Farina, CEO of Alpha Lanes Academy and a prominent figure in the Bitcoin community, has recently gone viral. The current price of XRP is almost the same as the price of Bitcoin, which is above $100. This comparison will provide you much optimism if you were alive throughout the time Bitcoin went from zero to about $100,000. Bound to detonate. The potential of XRP might reach new heights if Farina's forecast is correct. Present investors begin to question whether they are clinging to the next great crypto legend when they consider a theoretical gain of 100,000% and a target of $1,892. Famous people on social media just get everyone more excited. In a tweet, Jack the Rippler states, "Be ready," as the XRP captain confidently proclaims that XRP holders will become multimillionaires, reiterating the idea of untapped potential. The price of XRP will shortly reach $3.50, a new record high. These assertions are not only baseless. Recently, XRP printed a bull flag pattern, which is a classic indicator of an upcoming upward breakout. Bulls in the cryptocurrency market predict that XRP, if it repeats its spectacular ascent from 2017, might reach $40 next month and $6 by the month's end. The daring reinterpretation of XRP Avengers also adds to the tension. If we're being really honest, XRP won't see a boom like most other cryptocurrencies. Similar to 2017, it will pump at an astronomical rate. Within a day, XRP's value will exceed $100. What is driving the XRP energy, which isn't just hype or market sentiment, increasing institutional support, and technical analysis? Now that Ripple has won its legal battle against the SEC, the token's future is more apparent than ever before. An unprecedented bull run might be on the horizon now that the court's judgment has reduced legal uncertainty and increased investor optimism. Too many similarities with Bitcoin's early days to ignore. If XRP's meteoric rise is any indication, it will not only be another Bitcoin success story, but a revolutionary one as well. It is clear that XRP's journey is far from over, despite the fact that the cryptocurrency market watches it intently. For Bitcoin, this may mark a watershed moment. The innovative partnerships that Ripple has formed are also shaking things up in the industry. This is really insane. Because of the ripple effect, global finance is changing. Is this the defining moment that sends XRP soaring to new heights? The idea that a token may be worth $1,000 is beginning to sound less far-fetched. Keep an eye on this space for updates. The cryptocurrency industry as a whole has seen some changes recently, and Ripple is making strategic moves that can catapult XRP to new levels. Ripple has partnered with Arcox and a Barden in the United Kingdom to launch the first tokenized money market fund on the XRP ledger. A senior investment manager at Barden named Duncan Moyer predicts that by 2030, the market for tokenized real-world assets would be worth more than $16 trillion, making this fund a significant step forward. Extensive use of digital assets, such as XRP, will drive the next stage of architectural growth in the financial markets. Ripple is totally on board with our project. Their position in the institutional blockchain market has been further solidified with a PS5 million investment in Abertion's $3.8 billion liquidity fund. Among other things, one shows that banks are beginning to trust XRP and its scalability as a blockchain solution. Investments in decentralized cryptocurrency exchanges, Ripple is promoting the XRP ledger as the top network for tokenizing assets, boasting over $1 billion in assets under control. Therefore, it is a good match for banks and other financial institutions who want to use blockchain technology to cut costs without losing efficiency.